Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, we're walking through the steps it takes to sell your RV as a host on our platform. This video is an add-on to the List Your RV How-To Guide. If you haven't listed on RVnGO before, we definitely recommend checking out that video first before starting this one. After signing in, hover over the Host tab and click on Fleet. Select the listing you'd like to put up for sale by clicking the Edit button. Select Details and scroll down to the bottom. That's where you'll see the checkbox for sale. Click on it and then head over to Prices. A new fill box will appear labeled Sale Pricing. You can either list your sale price right here or check the box Contact for Price to speak with potential buyers offline. If you're filling out a specific price, make sure you click on the Next button at the bottom of the screen afterwards, or else it will not save your sale price number. Head to the last step labeled Features. Make sure your listing is activated, and then select Finish. And that's it! You successfully listed your RV for sale on RVnGO.com. Keep an eye out for more videos regarding RV listings, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@RVnGO.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.